What is the difference between distance and displacement? Let's say you have walked from here to here. You've walked a total of 10 meters, right? So now, let's give this a direction. Let's say this direction is west. Okay, so now you walk from here to here. And now, you've walked 10 meters, but you've traveled west. This is the first major difference between distance and displacement. Distance is a scalar quantity, meaning it doesn't have direction. And displacement is a vector quantity, meaning it has a direction. Right? These are two very important concepts in physics, and you need to remember these. Okay, so now let's think of another example for the other difference. So let's say you walk from here to here, and then you walk back from here to here, and let's say this is at 5 meters. So you've walked from here to here, and then here to here. So you've walked a total of how many meters? You've walked a total of 10 plus 5 meters, right? So that's 15 meters in total. Okay, now let's look at the other difference. Distance is a measure of the length between 2 points, and okay, so the distance, you walk from this point to this point, so you calculate that, that's 10 meters, we have that down here, and then you walk from this point to this point, and that's 5 meters, you calculate that here, right? So those two combined is 15 meters, so this is the distance you've walked, is 15 meters. So now, displacement is the overall change of position. So it's the change of position is defined as the ending position minus the starting position. So the ending position is at 5 meters minus the starting position, which is at 0 meters, is equal to 5 meters. So your change of position was 5 meters. This is the displacement, and this is the distance. Let's look at another example. Let's say you're walking in a circle. That's a really bad circle. Let me redo that. Alright, say you're walking in a circle, okay? And say this is the starting and finishing point. You want to come back here when you finish, okay? And the circumference of the circle is 50 meters. So you walk all the way around here, come back to the starting. So you've walked a total distance of 50 meters, right? So, though your starting position and your ending position are both here, so really, in displacement, you've had a total displacement of 0 meters.